Hello, my name is Tom Letter, and I'm the creator and owner of SeleniteSwordmaker.com. I've been making the Selenite sword for the past 16 years, and it's been quite rewarding as they have increased in power and capability and utility for many light workers around the world that use these tools to assist them in their work. Today, what I want to demonstrate is how would you work on yourself? And I'm just going to use one sword. You could use two, but this is how would I work on myself at home? One of the great advantages and capabilities of the swords is that they can clear and activate our chakras. They can set up the spin of the chakras automatically, correctly, and they can remove non-beneficial energies. Also, they have the great ability to connect us to the higher vibrations of the angelic realm, the ascended master realm, and they allow us to work on all aspects of our energy matrix, that including the chakras, the meridians, and the subtle bodies, and even the quantum field far out from our physical bodies. So, how you would work on yourself with the swords if you've just purchased one, this is a really good way to get started and to understand how to use the swords at home. And what I always like to start, selenite is quite powerful. Selenite is the blade. It magnifies everything that's in the handle and the capstone crystal on the bottom part of the sword, the handle part. This happens to be an amethyst point, and inside the handle of the sword are over 400 power crystals crushed into a powder and mixed with selenite powder. Also, we have sacred waters from over 100 locations around the planet, including Mother Mary Spring, Lourdes, which is at Lourdes, also Mount Shasta, Mount Fuji, Mount Koyasan in Japan, and also the powerful Mount Kailash, Lake Manasarova. So many waters have come together in one bottle of water. Also, we have 18 star elixirs, and we have seven planetary elixirs in another 1 milliliter bottle. And recently, we've added to our 1 inch handle swords a fourth bottle of water, which is the magenta and blue activated water. When you work with the swords, the first thing we always want to do is activate the Earth Star chakra, which is below the feet, about 6 to 20 inches. And the way we can do that is we can do circular movements, counterclockwise, clockwise, a figure eight. And I'm just going to do that. I'm going to point between my feet, and what I want to do is just feel whatever's coming through to the energy matrix, our bodies. And as I do this, I start to notice some tingling in my feet. And that's an indication that yes, the energy is being stimulated. This is your connection to the Earth Star chakra. And this Earth star connects us into all those beautiful crystals and minerals in the planet, all the scalar waves that run through the planet, all the magnetic hyperfields of the planet, that we can access that wonderful frequencies that are here to support us. So what I'm noticing is I'm noticing some tingling in my feet. And if you're at home, you may be noticing just as I do this, this will affect those that are watching the video. So the first step is connect to the Earth Star chakra to get grounded. That way, when we go up to the upper chakras, we maintain our grounded, connected state to Mother Earth. And also, shoot, damn it.